I'm done gatekeeping my pre-class healthy snack. These are so easy to make and are loaded with some amazing skin benefits. The secret here is powdered collagen. It's so good for your skin and hair. I use VitaMedica's because it's concentrated with types 1 and 3 and is so easy to blend. Rolled oats are going to give us that long-lasting energy. Carrots are loaded with vitamin A that's so good for clear skin. Dates are going to activate that collagen, and our chia and pumpkin seeds are packed with antioxidants. We're using almond butter for a creamy texture and topping everything off with some honey just for sweetness. After the honey, I add about 1.5 scoops of collagen powder, and you're going to have to get your hands dirty. Just mix everything together until it forms a sticky dough-like consistency. So next we're going to roll that dough into little bite-sized pieces and coat it with some unsweetened coconut flakes. I like to throw them in the fridge for about an hour or two afterwards, but they're definitely good as is. And there you have it, our amazing skin-loving energy bites, perfect for a quick snack before hitting the gym or there's long study sessions. Plus, that powdered collagen is working magic.